Wow, look at Jackson holding his little sister. Is she growing up?
No.
She getting bigger?
No.
You don't think she's getting bigger? Is she getting bigger? Mimi, are you getting bigger?
Yes.
Wow. Is she getting longer?
Yeah.
Look, her head's almost bigger than your head. Does it look like that? She's getting grumbly, huh? Here, Jasmine. Here, hold this for her. Wow. Make it fly. There you go. See, she's following it. Oh, she needs to be put up a little.